Hello, my name is Harley Erickson Analaiban with metric number 78018. I'm going to present about squid.
这个西瓜酱，一粒海藻西瓜水，马上做你是那个，拿你的西瓜汁，多快一杯西瓜汁。
The local name or common name for squid is sotong, and the scientific name for squid is Loligo de Boseli. In this market, the price for sotong is 26 ringgit and 99 cent, and the usually catching method for squid is trolling, jigging, and first sinning. In in Malaysia, we usually cook sotong stir fried.
Now I will explain about the sustainability part. Squid can be a safe and sustainable food source, especially when obtained from well-regulated fisheries. There are three main points for sustainability, which are carbon footprint, impact on biodiversity and ecosystem, and catching method. For the carbon footprint, squid fishing generally has a smaller carbon footprint than other seafood. For the impact on biodiversity and ecosystem, squid populations are generally more resilient than many fish species due to their rapid growth, short lifespan, and high reproductive rates. Lastly, for the catching method, jigging is a prevalent and sustainable method for catching squid, employing lines with lure that are selective and result in minimal bycatch.
Hi, my name is Delina Nadoyun with matrix number 83656. I am going to present about the mud crab. So, let's go. So, I went to the Bandaraya wet market to find mud crabs. Bandaraya wet market is well known for its fresh seafood, particularly mud crabs. This market is filled with a variety of seafood, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. In order to get more information, I interviewed a seller at Bandaraya Wet Market, and he provided useful information regarding the sourcing and pricing of these crabs. Based on the interview, the seller explained that they catch mud crabs using crab pots and hand capture. The crab pots are strategically placed in areas where crabs are known to frequent, while hand capture is applied in shallow waters in mangroves. One of the primary locations for catching mud crabs is Sungai Stakan at Kota Semarahan. The price of mud crabs at Bandaraya Wet Market range from 40 ringgit to 55 ringgit per kilogram. This price variation depends on their quality, size, and market demand. Higher quality and larger crabs command higher prices. An interesting fact about mud crabs is their gender differentiation. Both female and male crabs are available. Often, female crabs are preferred for their roe, while male crabs are typically larger. The common methods to cook mud crabs are spicy stir-frying and steaming. Both methods offer unique and delicious way to enjoy this seafood. Each cooking technique brings out different aspects of the crab's flavor and catering to various tastes. I hope you find this presentation informative. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the white banana prawn, also known locally as udang putih. Let's dive into some interesting facts and details about this popular seafood. As we can see here, the general name of this species is the white banana prawn. Locally we call it udang putih, and its scientific name is Phaneropenis merguensis. These prawns are caught using beam and otter trawls and the specialized net. The beam trawls drags a net across the seabed, while the otter trawls pulls a funnel-shaped net with otter boards and a ground chain. So the specialized net with smallest mesh size are used to minimize bycatch. These methods are regulated for sustainability to prevent overfishing. White banana prawns have a relatively low carbon footprint compared to many other seafood options. This is due to efficiently wet-caught and farming practices that minimize energy use and greenhouse gas emission. The prawn fishery employs sustainable methods, reducing the environmental impact and ensuring that the prawns are harvested responsibly. The impact of white banana prawns on biodiversity is relatively minimal, as they are closely linked to the environmental conditions like rainfall, which affects their population dynamics. Sustainable management practices like habitat conservation efforts help maintain their populations without significantly disrupting the ecosystem. As I had mentioned about the fishing methods before, these methods are designed with sustainability in mind. So these techniques are regulated to prevent overfishing with guidelines on net size, trawl durations, and designated fishing areas. So the specialized net with smaller mesh size reduces bycatch, ensuring that non-target species are minimally impacted. These prawns have a price range that varies based on location, freshness, and grade. Generally, the price range from 25 ringgit to 50 ringgit per kilogram. For example, I went to the wet market in Bau. The price is a bit higher, which is 36 ringgit per kilogram, while in Imat Batu is slightly cheaper at 32 ringgit per kilogram. Now we come to the cooking method. So this prawn can be prepared by deep frying, steam, and grilled. So deep frying is a popular method where the prawns are coated in a batter of breadcrumbs and fried until crispy and golden, while the steaming is another healthy and simple technique that preserves the prawn tenderness and natural sweetness. And lastly is grilling. It's also a common method which imparts a smoky flavor and chatted texture.
Last Sunday, my friends and I went to Imat Jaya to learn more about aquatic organisms.
So, hello, my name is Sophia Nasiman. I'm with metric number 73548, and today I'm going to talk about the famous kerang.
The blood clam, known locally in Malaysia as kerang or kerang darah, is a fascinating marine bivalve with the scientific name Anadara granosa. This clam is a popular seafood item and is notable for its unique biological characteristics. Blood clams are distinct due to the reddish appearance caused by hemoglobin in their blood. This rare adaptation among bivalves allow them to thrive in low-oxygen environments like the muddy or sandy substrates of intertidal zones. Have you ever wondered how these clams are harvested? They are typically gathered by hand, raking, or dredging. Hand gathering and raking are more sustainable, causing minimal disturbance to the seafloor. In Malaysia, many small-scale fishermen use these traditional methods to preserve marine habitats. However, dredging, which is more industrialized, can be quite destructive as it involves dragging a net across the seabed, disrupting marine ecosystems.
Not only tasty, but clams are also easy on the wallet. In this market, fresh clams it only costs 18 ringgit per kilogram. And only costs for 14 ringgit 49 cents per 500 gram, and frozen blood clam meat only costs for 19 ringgit 59 cents per 1 kg.
Blood clams are famous due to the controversy surrounding their safety and sustainability. While they are beloved delicacy, ensuring they are safe to eat is crucial. Blood clams can accumulate harmful bacteria and toxins, so it's important to source them from reputable suppliers who follow their strict safety protocol. Moving on to my favorite part of the presentation, which is the preparation methods of these delicious clams. In Malaysia, kerang can be steamed, grilled, or used in soups and stews. One popular dish is kerang rebus, where the clams are boiled with lemongrass, ginger, and spices, making a flavorful meal. Another favorite is kerang bakar, where the clams are grilled and served with a spicy sambal sauce. These dishes showcase the versatility of kerang and their ability to absorb rich, local flavors. Thank you for listening. Now I'll hand it over to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Pavitra Sundaram and my matrix number is 80951. And the aquatic organism that I chose is fish, specifically about the torpedostat, and in local it is called as ikan cuncaru. And for the scientific name, it is called as Megalapsis cordila. This torpedostat mainly caught by hook and lines, drift drill nets, and also trawl. In this market, the price of per kg of this fish is Rm 8 ringgit 99 cents. It is important to know how to choose a fresh fish because nowadays still so many people don't know how to choose a fresh fish. So first we have to look at the eyes of the fish. Okay, for the fresh fish, the eyes will be very bright and it is clear and full eyes. So for the not fresh fish, this is a very important thing because for the not fresh fish, the eyes will be very pinkish color and will be look at like the sunken eyes. So don't pick fish like that because it is not a fresh fish. And secondly, we also have to look at the skin of the fish because it is also important. So for the fresh fish, the skin must be very shiny. For the not fresh fish, if you notice over here, the color of the skin is going to be like faded and like pinkish color, so it is not good to be picked for a fresh fish. And another thing that we have to know to pick a fresh fish is the that flesh. So you have to press the fish flesh. So for this one, the not fresh fish, if you touch it, you will like found like it is very soft. So it is not good. For the fresh fish, if you touch it, it is very like hard and elastic and firm. So this is better to choose as a fresh fish.